Good morning, everyone. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York Fashion Week. I just got in and I took a shower, but I didn't do my skincare. I tend to do my skincare outside of the shower. I wanted to show you all a couple of products that was sent to me by Chantecaille. Dear Sean, we hope you love your new Chantecaille products, and we can't wait to hear what you think about them. XX Chantecaille social team. And I just want to say a huge thank you to Chantecaille for always loving on me. I've been working with this brand over the years for a very long time, and I'm forever grateful because I do see results with my skin. So I'm going to do, a series of Instagram reels, shorts, and also long form videos, just doing skincare routines, morning routines using these products, and really talking you all through the benefits of them, especially if you have hyperpigmentation, if you're looking to firm the skin, if you're looking to bring moisture to the skin, if you're looking to revitalize the skin. These things are super duper important, especially in New York during New York Fashion Week, where the air is arid, everything is just dry and it's cold. And you really want to have a cohesive line of product that you can use, because we're putting makeup on every single day, and then we're going out into the air where it's dry. So all of that is causing the acidic mantle to suffer. We have to do our part to make sure that your skin bounces back when you take this makeup off every single day. So I'm really grateful. I'll show you all what they sent to me. I know the light probably will conflict with you seeing what's on the box. This is the stress repair concentrate. They sent out the gold recovery mask. They also sent out the rice and geranium cleanser, the bio lifting eye cream, which is 5 stars across the board. One of my favorites is the Blanc Gardenia. What I love about Blanc Gardenia is if you start to break out, let's say you don't have time to wash your brushes, which we should wash them after every use, but if you're in New York and your life moves fast, New York Fashion Week moves super duper fast, and you don't have time to clean your brushes and you find yourself breaking out, put this on and you're good, you're golden. It will get rid of that breakout really quick, and also it brightens the skin, so it helps to alleviate your hyperpigmentation. So again, this is one of my holy grails. I've talked about Blanc Gardenia a lot in previous videos. So looking to really delve into these products with you all in short form and long form content. Again, when scientists curate products, we're curating for compatibility. We're curating because we don't want you to go over the allotted threshold of actives on the skin in any given day. So compatibility and synergy is super important when it comes to curating products, and Chantecaille's line of product is proven. This is proven skincare. So without further ado, let's go and do my skincare routine.